Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download an APK on Android. If you want to download a specific APK, let's say WhatsApp or any other app, normally you can easily find it on the Play Store. But if you are looking to download a specific version of an app or an app that is not available on the Play Store, then you will need to download the APK file manually. First, open Google or any web browser on your Android device. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want, followed by APK Mirror. For example, you can type WhatsApp APK Mirror. APK Mirror is a trusted website for downloading APK files. Once you open the APK Mirror website, you can either use the search icon to find the app or scroll through the results. For example, I will search for WhatsApp. As you can see, there are many versions available. Click on the specific version you want to download. After selecting the version, scroll down and choose the correct variant based on your Android version and device architecture. Then scroll down again and tap on the download button. A security pop-up may appear, and you can tap Allow or Download Anyway to continue. The download will now start. Once the APK file is downloaded, open it and tap Install. If prompted, enable installation from unknown sources for your browser. And that's it. That's how you can download and install an APK on Android. Thanks for watching.